Part 5. Okay. So, what are the rules to determine if death, accident, or injury is work-related? There are rules: performance rule, purpose rule, proximity rule, benefit rule, uh, comfort rule, and engagement rule. So, let's go to the performance rule. Dito nyo malalaman kung work-related yung activity ng employee nung namatay o na-aksidente. So, walang ganong tanong dito sa bar exam kasi masyado itong basic. Diba? Of course, compensable yung accident or yung death kung if the employee is doing something in the performance of his official function or task. Diba? Hindi naman nagtatanong dyan. Napaka-basic. If it was in the performance of an official function, talagang compensable yan. Yun yung performance rule. So I will grant the claim for ECP because the accident or the death occurred while the employee is in the performance of his official task or function. Ang tanong dito, necessary ba that outside of office, inside the office premises, dapat ba within working hours under the performance rule, whether inside the office, outside the office, within office hours, outside of office hours, it does not matter as long as performance, nagpe-perform siya ng official function or task. Even if he is in his place of work. Pero meron tanong sa bar dati, yung what about kung he is in his place of work within office hours, 'di ba? But yung accident or yung death nangyari nung hindi naman siya nagtatrabaho. Nasa loob nga ng opisina, nasa loob nga ng kumpanya. It happened 9 to 5 pero hindi man siya nagtatrabaho. Yung case ng isang supervisor at secretary, naglalabing-labing, nagliligawan, yung supervisor, tinuturuan yung secretary mag-drive doon sa loob ng compound ng factory, diba? Nabangga, yung secretary namatay. So, compensable ba yung death niya sa ECP? Well, pwede niyong i-argue na granted principle. Diba? Pwedeng argue compassionate justice, nasa loob ng kumpanya, within office hours. Pero actually, since pwede nyo as an alternative answer, pwede rin nyo i-argue na since he is not in the performance of his official function, hindi siya compensable. Halimbawa, nag-CCR, di ba? Pero ako kasi ginagrant ko palagi yan. I am a member of the UP panel of experts in labor law. Ako naglalagay palagi ako ng alternative answer. Bibigyan ko yan, compensable yan. Kasi yun, ang ginagawa nila, naglabing-labing sila, di ba? Pero kung halimbawa, nasa loob ng kumpanya, within office hours, pero nasa loob ng CR, can you say na yung pag-CR ba is an official function? Diba? Nire-relieve mo yung sarili mo. Diba? So, sa akin, igagrant ko yan kasi andun naman sa loob ng opisina eh. Nandun naman sa loob ng within office hours naman. I-grant na lang. Alternative answer. And most of the members ng UP panel of experts agree na alternative yan pwede. Halimbawa, what about kung take it to the extremes? Nag-CR sa labas, di ba? Lumabas ng bakod ng factory, doon nag-CR, doon yan nirelieve yung sarili niya. Natoka ng ahas, di ba? Natapa ng cobra, di ba? Igagrant mo pa rin ba? Within office hours, but outside of the company premises, sa akin, i-grant pa rin. Dahil, sabi nga ni my favorite labor reviewer, the yung idol kong, sabi niya kasi, ano pa rin yan